I'm a yoga and meditation instructor from Ananda Marga, based in Flushing, New York, but we're down here celebrating with the people here in Washington, D.C. So yoga is widely popular already, of course. We would like to bring yoga to every household around the world because it has so much benefit. It's a universal practice. It's been recognized around the world, and the deeper aspects of yoga are perhaps not so much known yet. So I think we are here to spread awareness of the original purpose of yoga, to actually attain a sense of freedom or oneness with the universe. So that's the deeper aspect of yoga that's very much related to meditation. And then the yoga postures, which are known as yoga asanas, are part of the practice, part of a holistic system to support the mind to attain freedom from unpleasant feelings and emotions and thoughts, so feel relaxed, peaceful, deeply peaceful, and then to make the body healthy. So we promote yoga as a way to balance your glandular system, and meditation to attain freedom and peace of mind.